Hi, I'm Emma, your Baxter moving assistant. Moving can be stressful, but not with Baxter. We do more than just move, we help turn your house into a home. Let me show you. Let's take a tour of how Baxter's professional team assisted our valued client, seamlessly handling their door-to-door delivery, from arrival in the UAE to settling into their new villa. Beyond just moving, we help set up their home with care and precision. From heavy furniture to fragile items, we ensure everything is unpacked safely and efficiently. We don't just drop off your furniture, we assemble and arrange it to perfection. Your dream home setup, exactly how you envision it. Our team ensures every room is move-in ready. From arranging decor to final furniture placements, we bring warmth and comfort to your new home. From setting up your dining hall and cinema room to making sure your bedroom is perfectly arranged, Baxter takes care of every detail so you can relax and enjoy your new home from day one. We lay protective sheets to safeguard your floors, place carefully, and assemble furniture safely, ensuring a clean, damage-free move from start to finish. At Baxter, we don't just move houses, we transform them into homes. From the first box to the final touch, we're with you every step of the way. Let us handle your move so you can focus on making new memories.